Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your fitness enthusiasm with Beachbody, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by setting clear, achievable fitness goals. Identify what you want to accomplish, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or overall wellness. Next, explore the Beachbody programs available. Visit the Beachbody website or app to find a variety of workout options. Take advantage of the filters to select based on your fitness level, preferred workout style, or time commitment. Once you've chosen a program, create a schedule that fits into your daily routine. Consistency is key, so plan your workouts just like any other important appointment. Consider joining the Beachbody community for additional motivation. Engage in forums or social media groups to share your progress and connect with like-minded individuals. Utilize the nutrition plans that accompany your chosen program. Good nutrition is essential for optimal performance and results. Prepare meals in advance to avoid unhealthy eating choices. Stick to a balanced diet rich in whole foods, protein, and healthy fats. Track your progress to stay motivated. Use a journal or fitness app to log your workouts and nutrition. Celebrate small victories along the way. Create a rewarding system for yourself after reaching specific milestones. Stay educated about fitness and wellness. Watch tutorials and read articles to deepen your understanding of exercise techniques and nutrition. Adapt your workouts as needed to keep them fresh and exciting. Don't hesitate to switch up your routines if you feel bored or unmotivated. Remember to listen to your body and take rest days when necessary. Rest and recovery are crucial components of any fitness journey. Lastly, always maintain a positive mindset. Focus on your achievements and how far you've come, rather than on setbacks. Embrace the journey and let your enthusiasm for fitness shine through. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.